Hi and welcome. Today we are going to build a reading ability using a poem. CBSE usually gives a passage for reading, but in order to develop a reading ability, we need to read various types of reading material. So today we are going to explore a poem. The poem seems to be very simple. We are going to read it for vocabulary and meaning. Falling Asleep by Lee. I go to bed. I close my eyes, but specters. So over here the word is used as a noun and it means ghost or ghastly figures. In my mind arise. That means when the child is going to sleep, the figures arise in the mind. I punch my pillow and toss and moan. Over here moan means to groan, sigh or to whine. Clearly I am not alone. That means the child has declared that the every feeling that develops is that the person is not alone. I crack my eyelid. Over here the word crack means peeps through the edges of the eyes and scan the room. Scan means to look carefully at what is around. Then when I see the dark shadows loom. Over here loom means to move and to grow in stature. The one of the meanings of loom is to hang around also, but over here, as per the context, it means to grow in stature. I rub my eyes so hard they burn. I crumple up my sheets and turn. Crumple up over here means wrinkles of the bed sheet. I struggle, I wrestle. Over here means fight through the night. Then finally at dawn's first light. That means when the sunbeam falls on the window of this child. As the sunbeam crosses my window, creeps. Over here, creep means to walk on tiptoes. I shudder. Shudder means to feel fear, to get scared. Twice and then fall asleep. The idea is very simple. The child is trying to fall asleep, and it's finding it difficult to sleep because of the airy feeling it develops because of the ghastly figures, which are definitely figment of the mind. Now let's move on to see the reading comprehension. The first question over here is an MCQ. Use the strategy of elimination. Pause the video and try eliminating the incorrect answers. Moving further. How long does the person in the poem stay awake in the bed? Pause the video, eliminate the incorrect answers and narrow down your option to the correct answer. Which word is a synonym of spectre? I told you that spectre is used as a noun over here. What does the word loom mean? Be careful, there's a distractor in this option. Distractor means a meaning that can be considered. Which word is a synonym of shudder? Now you've worked out, let's look at the answer key. When we eliminate all the incorrect answers, that is tired or uncomfortable or worried about school, we come to that the child is feeling afraid. That is option B. How long does the person in the poem stay awake in the bed? The answer is until morning, because we look at the context that the sunbeam had fallen on the window and that is only when the child went to sleep. Which word is a synonym of spectre? That means similar meaning. The word is ghost. Which word means loom? The answer over here is to tower over, and the distractor is to move about. So that is an incorrect answer. The correct answer is to tower over. Which word is a synonym for shudder? Over here the answer is tremble. Thank you so much for paying attention.